I think there's a few questions here, and I think a lot of these are those of you who own a laundromat can answer. Anyone address the timeline? Someone's asking about the timeline for starting the process to opening it up, and any hurdles that you could, make them be aware of.
That's specifically for the building portion of the timeline, like you built your laundromat.
I mean, I'm hearing that it can take 1 to 2 years if you're starting from scratch, like buying the piece of property, and building, from, if you're buying an existing, timeline, of course, is shortened. And, there's a whole bunch of pros and cons about which way to go with it. But if you're starting, there's a lot of, permits and the utilities and that's where you want to check out everything, make sure there's not impact fees in that area, because that can be a cost that you're not aware of.
What is impact fees?
So in some towns, they charge a large fee to laundromats for what they anticipate the amount of water being used. And
Okay.
these fees can be, I mean, it can be, I don't know, you guys who own, correct me if I'm wrong, but somewhere like $10,000 to $30,000 a month. I mean, it can be crazy. California, I think there's some places that have very large impact fees. That would be one pro of going into existing, because the impact fee, it already exists. So the impact fee is for a new laundromat. But that would be
You can
something
sometimes, I was able to wager my, so Minnesota has what's called whack and sack. That's the same like water and sewer access and usage. And I was able to leverage my laundry. It was actually another 900 square feet bigger. And it's in the strip mall, and I bought the strip mall. It's very small. There's just these three. So I made a new space. So I eliminated a row of washers because they were top loaders anyway, and my new design didn't need that. I was putting in better, bigger, whatever. So I was able to like put up the water usage from that. Like, look, this business already paid whack and sack for this amount. Here are my new machines, because it's like somewhere in the plumbing, they're like, well, if you're installing a toilet, you have to pay it. And it's like nothing. But they just decide how many times per whatever you're going to use that washer. If I use that washer that much, I would be so rich. It's wherever their calculations are. It's in La La Land, pretend world. But I was able to like wager against, okay, I bought this laundry that already had this much water usage that was paid already. It's a one-time fee. They already paid it. So like I'm putting but the water, I was able to like balance the water, and you want to make sure that if you're in a state or a city that has that you have those machines set to the lowest water usage, and that you're using that as the quote. You're not letting them get away with the highest water usage, because washers have different settings for how much water they can use. So you can kind of like balance it that way. Just don't let them take advantage of you if you are buying and remodeling and retooling. They don't want to help you. They want that fee.
There is a question about who charges the impact fee. Yes, it is the city or the village, depending on how you're structured. So that's who you would want to check with if you're building, again, a new laundromat from the ground up. Go ahead, Gloria.
It wouldn't apply to an existing if you're buying an existing. Okay, thank you.
Right.
Okay.
Yep.
They might try. They did it to me, and I didn't let them.
Britt, would it be okay if I met with you personally, or just?
Yes.
Oh, that'd be great.
I'll put my email in the chat.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Does anyone know about utility connection fees?
Or is it the same thing maybe?
Uh,
Just different wordage?
That can be different fee. The impact fee is really the water itself, but yes, there are sometimes restrictions. I believe New York, I don't know if anybody here is looking at opening a laundromat in New York, but I think at one time there was a ban on new gas connections. So it would be very tough to build a brand new laundromat in New York City. So that can be a little different than the impact fee, but generally, yes, there will be fees to hook up the utilities. Again, existing that should already be there and kind of built into their monthly costs, the utilities.